If you come across this video, today is your lucky day, because I'm about to reveal to you a very hidden secret no one will ever tell you on the internet, and that is how to get free domain from Namecheap. This is the secret no one will ever tell you except on this channel. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I am Faith. I'm a web designer and a digital marketer. I help professional business owners build professional websites that sell on the internet. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, web design, and digital marketing. So if you want to sell online or you want to make money online in 2026, this is the best channel you can subscribe to. Consider subscribing to my channel. Let's get right into it. Let me show you how to get the free domain. So to get free domain from Namecheap, you just want to come to your browser and type faithamule.com/Namecheap. Just type this. As soon as this happens, it's going to bring it to Namecheap website. So the next thing you have to do is just to hover around hosting here, click on shared hosting. I want to show you how to get free domain from Namecheap. Just want to come to the hosting interface like this. You can see the Stellar hosting, which is the Stellar shared hosting, and this is the Stellar Plus, and this is the Stellar Business. You can decide to go for any of them. Like if you're going for this one, you can host 3 websites in this particular single host. You can host unlimited websites here, depending on whichever one you want to go with. For this one, I will hover around here to show you something. Can you see that if you're buying any of these domains, can you see the free top level domains available? If you're buying any domain with these extensions, you're getting the domain free of charge. If you're paying for this hosting, you're getting any of these for free. Apart from .com domain, you won't be able to get it here. But if you want a web hosting that comes with free domain, you can go for Hostinger, and I have a video on this channel that talks about getting free .com domain from Hostinger. I've made a video on that. I will also link that video in the description of this video, and I also link it up here so that you can click on it and decide to get it. But for here, you're getting any of these domains. The same thing applies to any of these hosting options here. You're also getting any of these .fun, .online, .press, .store, .space, .tech. So if you have something like faithamule.tech, faithamule.store, you are getting the level these top level domains free of charge when you purchase this hosting. So what are you going to do in that regard? Just simply click on get started. Let me say I'm going for this particular one. So let me clear my cards. What is my cards? Let me quickly view my cards, clear it, and I will come back to this. I want to clear the old domain I've added to cards. Okay, so I want to clear this. So let's go back to where I was. This is where I was before now. So as you can see, so let's quickly choose our domain. Choose a new domain. You come here and type your domain. So you want to click on the domain you want, a new domain. So you come here, find a domain name. So you're going to come here and type just type any domain of your choice. I'm going to do something like faith/.store. So let's see if that free domain is can you see that you're getting this for free, 0.00 per year. For the next 1 year, you're not paying for this particular domain. So let me add it to carts. I'll quickly choose it and connect to hosting. Just click on connect to hosting. So as soon as that is done, as you can see, it added this icon fee here, which is 0.2 cents. So the next thing you have to do is just to click add to cart. We have chosen domain, we've chosen hosting, so we are going straight to this particular hosting. So we are going to host this particular domain for 1 year. If you want to go for 5 years, that's absolutely fine, but I'm going for 1 year. The next thing you have to do here is make sure your hosting is on 1 year, not 1 month or 2 years, depending on how long you want to host on Namecheap. Mine is here. So the next thing you have to do is just to come here, add SSL. You can decide to add SSL if you want. So click on add SSL. SSL is the security that will protect your website whenever visitors visit your website. So these are the 3 things I would add here. So let me check if SSL is added. Okay, it has been added, as you can see. So the next thing I will do is to click on confirm order. So let me quickly click on confirm order to proceed. So it's going to ask me to sign up. I don't have account here, so I'm going to quickly sign up. Choose the username here. So I will choose something like, let me add something like this. I'm going to add this. Choose use a strong password. I'm going to make sure you enter your real details. Don't fake anything here. Email address. I'm going to quickly pick my email address here for a tutorial, because they're going to send you email to verify your domain. 66 ads. That is done. So let me quickly check if it is correct. Just entered my password. Let's proceed. Create an account. I've created an account. All right, you can enter all your details here. Enter your details. And that is it. You're good to go. As soon as you enter your details, you're going to proceed to check out where you're going to make payments. I'm not going to enter these details because I already have an account and I'm not purchasing this particular domain. I already have an account with Namecheap. I already have domain and hosting running here, but I just want to show you how to get free domain. As you can see, I was able to get it zero fee. That's basically how to go about it. You can just fill in your details and then proceed to check out. As soon as you make payment, that is done. If you want to learn more on how to build websites, please stick to this channel, because I'm going to upload more videos on how to build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce and Shopify on this particular channel. So see you in my next video.